Morning. It's just after 6 o'clock. Today's a big day. It's first day we get to finally do a survey. Here you can see we stayed right here at the hotel where the boat happens to be parked. There's a look at the boat right there. It looks like in the dark from behind. Time to get up. It's survey day. The day we've been waiting for forever.
Hi, I'm David.
And I'm Danielle.
In July 2020, we decided to sell our home and chase our dream of living on a boat. We drove the four corners of Florida looking for a boat with a lot of adventures in between. Join us as we chase our dreams and leave everything else behind.
Welcome to The Dream Chasers. Coming up on today's episode of The Dream Chasers.
Hey, what day is it?
Survey day.
That's right, it's finally survey day, which basically just means a home inspection.
The girls are back as we visit St. Augustine, Florida and tour some spooky locales. Coming up now on The Dream Chasers.
This Chandler Bain's office is.
Hey, baby.
Okay,
What you doing?
put makeup on. What are you doing?
Not getting very good interaction.
Good morning.
Good morning. Hey, what day is it?
Survey day. Finally.
Finally. Since July, we've been waiting for this day.
I still work in Orlando 3 nights a week.
Really?
Yeah, so he says, well, since you're going to be at work, if we've already closed on the boat, I'm going to go ahead and go and move in. No, you're not. No, you're not. That is we do that together kind of thing.
I like his idea because you can clean the closet.
Survey results came back great. All major mechanical and electrical components checked off. She ran great and passed the sea trial with flying colors. Nothing to do here now but point her home and get ready to do whatever it takes to make her ours.
We're in St. Augustine. We're gonna go have some lunch and tour around. Try to get some awesome drone footage.
Established in 1565 by Spanish explorers, just 52 years after Ponce de Leon landed on the coast of Florida, it became the first European settlement in the New World, making it the oldest continuously inhabited city in the United States. In St. Augustine, you can find fun, romance, and ghosts.
So we're here at Scarlett O'Hara's restaurant in St. Augustine. Apparently the most haunted restaurant in Florida. This is their upstairs, what they call the ghost bar. We just came up a little early before they opened the upstairs just to look around at all the cool stuff. And we're gonna have some lunch.
In 1870, George Coley commissioned this house as a wedding gift for his soon-to-be wife, only to find she had betrayed him for another man. Shortly after, George found love again and moved her in right away, only to be found dead in his own bathtub. It is believed George still triggers burglar alarms, moves chairs, startled guests, and lights candles. A second male presence is often seen here pulling out a bar stool and having a seat. Now, let's rejoin the living as Darian and Haley rejoin us to visit the rest of St. Augustine.
Hey guys, how you doing? So here it is, one of St. Augustine's many mooring fields. Bring your boat out here, tie up if you don't want to get in the marina or you can't seem to set up an appointment in the marina. Feel free to tie up. You'll see there's plenty of mooring balls available. Right now we're directly across the street from old historic St. Augustine. Been around since the 1600s, the oldest city in America. Also, one of the most haunted cities in America and
Most romantic.
the most romantic city in Florida. So take a look over here and we'll get some more, we'll see some more of the city coming up.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.
Hey, we drank, this is where you and I drank before. We sat
Any visit to St. Augustine just isn't complete without a visit to the old fort.
Jeff, are you gonna go out over the water too?
Not yet. We'll see.
And we couldn't think of a more beautiful place to test out the new drone.
Or in the tree. It's stuck. David. What? How did you do that?
Oh, I know. Damn it.
Now you're climbing the tree.
Somehow.
Are you kidding me?
I thought I was above it.
Guess what? We got a drone in the tree.
What had happened is we were trying to show the fort and we lost the drone in the tree.
Hey, am I in trouble?
Hey, let's fly our drone and look at all the pretty stuff. All the pretty stuff. Oh, and then let's fly it into that tree.
The only tree.
Right there.
So I'm in a little bit of trouble. Apparently I can't fly a drone in an area with just a single solitary tree without lodging it securely and firmly into this tree. Oh, good 25, 30 feet up. No way to get it. Yeah, she's not too happy with me right now.
No.
The girls had to leave, Danielle needed a drink, and I was left alone to recover the drone.
Well, they're gonna leave me here until I get this downloaded. Oh shit. My phone's got plenty of battery, but my drone controller is dying. That's not good.
Drone recovery was a failure. It was time to regroup and come up with a plan. To find Danielle, always start at the nearest bar.
I can hurt you like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go, drifting apart. We're letting go, drifting apart.
Hey, don't forget to click that little bell so you get notified of every new episode. Be sure to follow us on Instagram at Naughty D's.
On next week's episode,
527.
5:27 in the morning.
Operation Drone Recovery.
Operation Drone Recovery.
all that and more next week on The Dream Chasers.